It is day 8 of our 30-day decluttering challenge, and today, pretty fun times. We are going to be tackling purses or backpacks or wallets, anything that you use to carry around your junk. But here's the wonderful thing. We don't actually have to get rid of purses and backpacks. This is about being intentional and looking at stuff differently and also making sure we've cleaned out inside. You only have to find 5 things and you only have to spend 5 minutes. And guess what? Gum wrappers, old receipts, nasty used Kleenexes. I'm not judging. All of that counts. So are you ready? Set your timer for 5 minutes. On your mark, get set. Let's declutter. I'm not a purse person, but sometimes I use them and they are garbage bags with straps is what they are. I basically use them just to put my garbage in there. So I'm just going to take a few minutes and pull stuff out that I know I don't use, but also this is a perfect time to ask myself, do I actually like this purse? Because as you can see, I don't have like an obnoxious amount, but I have enough that I can't even see the ones behind. You know, I have enough that I don't love all of them and they're taking away from the ones I like. So right off the bat, this can go. There's an old, what is that? A makeup sponge, some lipstick. This is probably like 7,000 years old. Also, I went with my daughter and we saw Olivia Rodrigo and it was awesome, and we got this like little fanny pack I'll never wear again. But I feel like, oh, it's sentimental. But the truth is, I have the photos. I don't need to keep every physical reminder of every happy memory in my life. I can cherish the photos and let the physical stuff go. So we're to 2. Same thing. I want you to take a second to look inside. Shopping lists. And throw out the trash. When is the last time you've like literally gone through and thrown the trash out of your purse? And then once you've done that, ask yourself, do I even freaking like this purse? The answer for this one is a heck yeah, it's cute as heck. This, it's just leaving. This was like a good intention that I was gonna pack this thing and then swap it from each purse, but I've used it a total of never. So it's absolutely going. And this honking thing, I love the color, but what am I, 150? Why does my purse need to be the size of Texas? You know what I'm saying? It's ridiculous. Why? Why do we feel like a giant purse stocked with everything we'll ever possibly need is organization? And then we have shoulder pain and we're carrying this thing around. Like, less is more, friends. Less is more. I'm gonna take out, this whole thing is trash. I'm gonna dump this all in the trash, and the whole purse is being donated because it's just too big. And this, so cute, right? So cute. Again, it's just not my style. It was a gift from my mother-in-law. I'm so sorry, Mrs. A. I love you to pieces, but I hate this purse. It's going. Oh my God, if I go to Disney, this is gonna stay. Do I need a clutch? Do I go to many galas? This doesn't even hold my phone. I can't have a phone and a tube of, because it's just too tiny. How ridiculous. Like, what is, no. It's so cute. What if I do go to a gala? No, I'll never go to a gala. It can leave. Okay, I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling excited. Things are leaving. What is this, friend? I didn't even know I had this. This is my anti-theft purse. When I went, again, I do not love it. Oh, this feels good. In under 5 minutes, I got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags and a pile of trash. And I'm basically feeling like the most amazing person who ever lived. I hope you got rid of a ton of stuff too. I hope you're feeling great and I want to see the photos. Make sure you use the hashtag Clutterbug Declutter. That's it, guys. That's all we have to do is 5 minutes and I'll see you back here tomorrow. If you are loving this decluttering challenge so far, if you're feeling motivated and you're like, stop it, I want to do bigger and more, Cass. I want to declutter my entire house. I have exciting news. The Take Your House Back course is on sale and open just for a limited time. I partnered with Dawn from The Minimal Mom and Dana from A Slob Comes Clean. All three of us are recovering super slobs, and we know the exact plan and path to get your home from chaos to clean and organized. And we're going to walk you through the entire thing step by step. And on top of that, you have access to our exclusive all-day live declutters where we are your clutter coach for 8 hours straight, working with you to declutter your entire home. That is Saturday the 21st. So make sure that you sign up now. What the heck are you waiting for? I'm going to put the link in the description below, and I hope to see you there. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. If you've been following me for a while, let's talk about purses. You know this end story because I've shared it before, but my grandmother, rest her soul, she's recently passed away, told me this story. She went to a baby shower or a wedding shower, and she was standing in line to use the washroom, and when it was her turn, she went in, and there was the world's giantest turd in the toilet. And she panicked because there was like 3 other people waiting to use the bathroom, and she didn't, like, it wouldn't flush. And she didn't want anyone to think like this was her giant turd. So what would you do? A normal person would maybe A, say, excuse me, somebody left a giant turd, or B, I don't know, smash it down with like the toilet brush or a plunger or something. Not my grandma. Anxiety runs in our family, and what she decided to do was to pick it out and wrap it in toilet paper and put this giant log in her purse. And then again, she went back to the party. She didn't go like somewhere to a garbage can and let go. No, she carried it around with her for the whole party. She drove home with the giant turd in her purse. And when she got home, she had forgotten about the turd and it just stayed in her purse. So every time I think of purses, I think of my grandma, and I love her to pieces. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.